This is a quick review of the MZK Leaf Blower. This comes with two 20-volt batteries, and it comes in a very small box, which made me a little concerned until I actually put it together, which literally takes that long. Throw a battery in it, and you are ready to rock and roll. Total weight on this unit is only 3.9 pounds. With the battery installed, it's very lightweight. It's very easy. Been using it in the back patio, blowing out leaves. Heard people blowing snow, drying their cars with these units. They're just really nice, light, and powerful. This is rated at 130 miles per hour is the amount of output. It shows on the sticker here 95 decibels. While I was actually using it, I came in at only 84 decibels, I believe. Yes, 84 max on my decimal meter. The batteries themselves are going to last you at least 15 minutes. In my internal testing, I plugged the battery in. I clicked the button, held it down, locked the button on, and it ran for 16 minutes and 47 seconds. To charge the batteries, it does come with a wall outlet. You just simply plug it in. On the back of the wall outlet, there is a LED. Red means it's charging, green means it's fully charged. And on the batteries themselves, I think this is a neat feature you're not going to find on many batteries, is a charge indicator. So if you got one light, means it's low. If you've got 3 of the 4 lights, it's just going to let you know how charged it is. Overall, very happy with the unit. It's lightweight, it's nimble, it collapses down into a small space. You know, it's perfect for just a lot of light duty work. If you have a big yard and you need something that's going to go for, you know, a half hour, an hour, this is not the unit. Simply the batteries aren't going to hold up. But as far as the power that it produces for its weight, it's very impressive. And at the time of this recording, it's got 361 reviews on Amazon with an average rating of 4.3 stars. So it seems that people that are buying them are enjoying them. And I happen to be one of those people.